guys, this is the show called Simone Irene Hardy, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some cupcakes. So basically you need a pour the powder. Okay, I think we're good. Whoa, this is a lot. Oh, this is going to be one giant big cupcake. Oopsie. Oops, I kind of poured it on the table. Well, so these are the ingredients that you're going to need. Here we have the mixer. If you don't have a mixer, you can use a spoon or a whisker. Here's the cake mix. Here's the eggs. Here's the oil, and here's the... Sorry guys, we almost forgot we're going to need baking cups and butter. Step number 1, preheat your oven. 2, combine the cake mix with water and oil and eggs in a large bowl. So I have my 1 cup of water and I have half a cup of oil. Right. Here goes nothing. Whee. There we go. And I have my half cup of oil. I'm going to pour it on the eggs and the mix. I think I'm going to need help with this part with the eggs because I might make a big giant mess. The eggshell kind of cracked. Then now we will begin mixing. Gotta get all the lumps out. You might be able to cover your ears because this can get really noisy. This part can get really noisy and messy because I can see things splattering already. So we have to put the bacon sheets in each one of these pans. So now I'm going to pour the cake mix in the baking sheets. Might be too much. This might be too much, but I'll just add as much as I may need. Okay, that's a lot for small. Alright, so I'm gonna pour the last. Oops. Make sure to let it just fall in. Oops, like that. But it's not easy because it might tip over. So I'm gonna pour the rest of it. Oops. Don't just like shove it in if it won't come out. Just let it fall. Or if it's not gonna come out, you can either do this. You can do this. It's just gonna stay there forever. Next, I'm going to put this in the oven, but I'm going to need an adult for help. Make sure to clean up after your mess or your parents can get really angry. Or you could get the coronavirus because there's so many germs around the world. So, the cupcakes are ready. If you want to see a decorating video, go check out my other channel. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe below for a cupcake decorating video.